Mga Katimbol Vlogs, welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. Ngayong araw na to, Agosto 2024, here at Wellington, New Zealand. Time check 7:17, and eksakto lang to kung gagamit natin yung bus 5717. Magkaparehas lang sila. So, check na natin mga Katimbol Vlog. This one bearing plate number NQY 768 should expire on, lapit na, August 9, 2024. Ilang araw na lang mag-expire na. Check na natin yung mga old damages. Okay, all good. Yeah, old damages. That's all old damages. Yan, old damages yan. Yan, yung pa, old damage yan. Old damage yan. And then, all good. And fenders are all chipped in. All good. Damage. Hindi pa natin pala na-icon yung school sign. All good. Okay. All damage. All damage. Ayan, all damage also. And inside also all damage. Also inside. Okay. 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 Tatanda na naman tayo ng isang taon, mga bukas, mga Katimbol Vlogs. Okay.